Hey y'all, so I have about 11 minutes left. Oh my god, the water looks so murky. Hey Cali gang, what it do? Please forgive me for the piano noise. Dre is learning and practicing piano, but today is wig washing day. I'm getting all my wigs, well, my favorites anyway, and I'm gonna wash them for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So all I use is basically fabric softener. To clean my wigs, I use shampoo and fabric softener, and of course these are synthetic wigs, so we're gonna use fabric softener. All right, so I'm gonna fill the tub here. I'm debating if I want to actually, yeah, no, I'll just fill the tub up with like the regular tub water. So see that? All right, so basically I'm gonna pour my stuff in and then stir it. So I'll take the shampoo, pour it in. And then my Downy. Since I'm gonna be washing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wigs, I'm gonna do 7 scoops. Or scoops or pours or, oh. That went bad, I guess. And do the rest. Use gain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'll just leave that up because a little left. All right, and now take my, let's see, oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. And take my little spoon thing. Stir it. I feel like I'm making a big thing of soup. I'm nervous, you guys. I'm so nervous to do this. I'm going to do this for a while. So you let them soak for like 20 or 30 minutes and then wring them out and then rinse them out. And this water is going to be looking really gross by the time it's done. So this is going to be interesting. Alright. So, excuse me, I'm sorry. So this is my first one's gonna go in. I have never washed this one and I barely wear it, but I'm just washing it just to wash it, and it's pretty much detangled already, so I'm just gonna throw her in there. This one is one of my favorites. It's my little Bobby Bob. I do wear her often, so she definitely needs to be cleaned. All right, dump her in there. All right, and then here's this one. I barely wear this one, but you know, I just want them all to come out looking good. So detangle her a little bit. And just throw her in there. Alright, and then I got this one. It's my little headbandy wig. It's red. Let me see. Hang on, let me get better lighting. There we go. It's a little bit better. And this one is red. I don't have my ring light plugged in, but yeah, it won't reach anywhere. The plug won't reach anywhere, but yeah, this is a red one. Just want to submerge her in there. This is my favorite one. My Many Pieces one. I think it's called Many Pieces. Alright, next, this one's my brown one. One of my faves. Ew, it's not detangled. Hold on real quick. Alright, couldn't find my brush, so I'm just gonna comb through it a bit. Hopefully it's not too bad. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you're notified as to when I post. I do my best to post every 1 to 3 days. If I don't post by the 3rd day, I do my best to post by the 4th day. Ooh, this one is pretty knotted. And of course, I can't find my detangle brush anywhere. Okay. Alright, combed her out a bit. Hold on. Alright, yeah, I'm over it. I'm just gonna throw it in. I'm over it. I'm so over it. Alright, last one is my hair cube one, the blonde one with the bangs, dark root. Just throw her in there as well. Alright, so I'll let them marinate for 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I have about 11 minutes left. Oh my god, the water looks so murky. Let me shut the door even though you still can hear the piano playing, but oh wow. Look at that, the water looks so murky. Oh, it's murky. Woo. Oh man, I cannot wait. I can't wait to pull these out and detangle them. Like, I'm excited. Oh, it smells really good in here. It smells like fabric softener in here. But yeah, so 11 minutes and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so, oh my god, the sliding is terrible. There we go. Alright, so I have, I think, like 5 minutes, give or take. I'm gonna drain it and then like let the wigs kind of sit there because I have a Zoom meeting for my day job. But yeah, so I'm excited to see how they turn out. I got my detangle brush and I'm mad because I have a detangle brush for my wigs, but I can't find it. And I don't want to make a bunch of noise while just trying to concentrate on piano. So I'm just gonna use this one and then just, you know, wipe her down or whatever when I'm done. But I'm so excited, and I gotta lay them out to air dry. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put them. I'll put them on the dog's kennels. That way they can't get to them. They won't be in the way of anything. They won't be on the counter or anything. So yeah. But yeah, I will be back when the after it's drained. Alright y'all, the timer went off, so alright y'all, timer went off, so it's time to drain the tub out. Ooh. Hey y'all, so the wigs are done and my meeting was cut. Yeah. Alright, so these are them. I'm gonna rinse them and yeah, rinse them and see how they feel. So be back. Hey y'all, so coming at you from this angle, so I'm just gonna grab one. I'm gonna push all these to the back. Oh, just rinse it off. and OMG, super soft. Okay, I cannot wait to put these wigs on after they dry. OMG, I'm so excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna literally wring her out more because this wig can hold some water. Alright, y'all, here go my babies. Nice and clean. Gonna air dry a few days, 3 days, something, I don't know, but yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put them on top of the dog's kennels so they don't mess with them. And yeah, so I'll be back in 2 days. Alrighty, y'all, so it has been about 2 days. My wigs have been sitting here drying. And this is how they are looking. This is the brown one of my favorites. Sorry the lighting is not that great. Hold on. Alright, there we go. So here's my brown one. This one is one of my favorites. I cannot wait to hit it with a straightener. And then here's my favorite bob one. It still is pretty shiny, but y'all, they are ridiculously soft. And here's my orange one. The natural curl pattern on here is wavy. Okay, I did not know that. Alright, here's my headband wig. It's the red one. Ooh. Oh, it's super, super soft. Now, you guys, that fabric softener really did really good. OMG. And then here's this, the silver dark root one. And then here's my one of my favorites. This one, super, super soft. Oh, it smells very, very good. And then here's my hair cube one, super, super soft. Ooh, I'm loving it. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified as to when I post. And stay safe and blessed, Cali gang. We up in this thing. Bye.